Hello friends, today let us discuss problems on sets. If you are new to my channel, then go through part 1 of sets so that you can understand these problems easily. Now, one by one, let us discuss problems in our textbook. I will explain you guys all problems including exercise problems also. Hi students, I am new to YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new solved questions. Like my video and share knowledge with your friends. Thank you. This is your first example in textbook. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equals 0 in roster form. I have already explained you what is a roster form and set builder form. Now first we have to find the values of x from this equation. You guys are very familiar with factorization. So let us do factorization for this equation. That is 2x square. We have to split it. So if we add this, we won't get as x. Now we have to arrange signs. Minus and plus. 2 minus 1, 1. So here it is 1. 1x. We will get it as 1x. So this is the right factorization. Now in the place of 1x, we will write this. X square minus 1x plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. Take out common from this 2, that is x. Then we will remain x minus 1. Then from these 2 we have to take common, that is 2. X minus 1 we will get as remaining. X plus 2 and x minus 1 are two zeros of polynomial. So we will get two values of x, that is x minus 1 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, x equals 1 and x equals minus 2. We got 2x value 1 comma 2. Hence they have given to form in a roster form. Then this is our right solution in roster form. This is what second example you have in your textbook. Write the set x is a positive integer. What are the positive integer? That is in a number line. What are the positive integer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on till infinity. And x square is less than 40. So first we will consider x value as 1. If x equals 1, then x square equals 1 square equals 1. If x equals 2, 2 square equals 4. If x equals 3, then 3 square is 9. If x equals 4, 4 square is 16. So we have to do till a number less than 40. If x equals 5, 5 square is 25. X equals 6, 6 square is 36. These are all less than 40. And further if we do x equals 7, 7 square is 49. 49 is greater than 40. So this is not eligible. We have to write all x values which are less than 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are our answer. We have written in flower brackets so that it is a roster form. Now next example in your textbook is write the set A equals 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on in set builder form. I have explained what is set builder form. Now in this problem they have given in roster form. We have to convert it into set builder form. In this type of problems, first we have to see whether the given set is in natural numbers, integers or rational numbers. I have explained what is natural number, integers and rational numbers in my previous videos. Now clearly it is a natural numbers. In set builder form we have to write it as x is a natural, so it is a natural number where x equals n square. First, what is n square now? N square, if we take n equals 1, then n square equals 1 square equals 1. Here it is 1. Now if we take n equals 2, then 2 square equals 4. If we take n equals 3, 3 square equals 9. So these are all squares, n squares of natural numbers. Or else we can write a set A equals x is to x is a square of natural numbers.